flowers just like these. So what you'll need a needle, you'll need some thread, you'll need 2 pairs of scissors or one, you'll need some felt, yeah. You'll need a template, and you might need a ruler. It doesn't matter what size the ruler is, how long it is though. And how to make the stencil, what you'll need like a circle that's about 4.5 centimeters wide, and it's easier to start off just like this. So you have 19 centimeters long of a rectangle, and the circle will be 4.5 centimeters wide. So that's what you need for the stencil. But we don't need the stencil because me and my mum's cut this out. You might need some help with some of these, but you're probably wondering, how do you stitch it? So how you stitch it, you get your piece of fabric. I've already done it. So you do that, and then you get the roll and you do it 4 times. So make sure it's a little bit bigger than you think, so it will be like 1 roll, and then 2 roll, and then 3 roll, and then 4 roll. So you'll go there to there to there to there. So you probably end at one of the things. You'll start at one and you'll end at the same side. So let's get sewing. So what you do, this is called the running stitch. What you do is the running stitch, you just get the thread, you just put the thread in the eye right there, and you put it, you go in and you go out, in and then out, and you start again. But it won't always be perfect, but practice makes perfect. So you can practice again and again and again, but if you don't have these things, then you can do it after the lockdown, and you don't have to do it. You can do it after the lockdown. If you don't have the stuff, you can buy the stuff after, but it's better to have it straight. But I'm doing it a little bit wonky, but that's alright, because practice makes perfect. And I've practiced and practiced and practiced it. So if it's too short, then like, ugh, that's what I used to have trouble about, then it's alright, because you can just pull it through, and then you can do that. And it doesn't take that long, it only takes a couple of minutes to do it. But, like I said, if you don't get it right the first time, that's okay, because practice makes perfect. So you go in, you go out. If it's too long, or a bit wonky, like I did there, a little bit, but that's alright. You just make it through. And if it's too hard to do, then you can ask your parents if they could help you. So, go in, and then you go out. Go in, you go out. And then be careful not to prick yourself. I've pricked myself a couple of times, it hurt a little bit, but only because I wasn't really concentrated that day. But that's alright. Just go in and then you go out. In and out. And that's how you do. And that's how you. And that's how. I can't say words today. And that's how you do a running stitch. It's alright if you get it a bit it's alright if you get it a bit crumbled because I've got to do that anyway. So, just do this last little stitch. Oh. Make sure you put the hole in properly. And you just put it in and then you're done with that. And you're probably wondering now, how do you make it into that, into this? So, you go in, so you just pull it in, pull and pull, like that. You might need to do that, and you just hold it and make sure it doesn't come out of the actual hole. Just thread it in like that. Just like that. So this is the bit when it gets a little bit tricky, so you might have to pull it in. This is the bit that I find tricky. I haven't done it yet because my mum has helped me. So I don't really know how to do this bit, but that's alright. You just go like that, and then go. Oh, it's very hard to do. Oh. Just like that. I can't do it that well, but I did it. So that was good. Anyway, I think I did it. You just do that, and then you tie a little knot, just like that. I'm not very good at tying knots, but maybe it's easier if you have help. And you just tighten it like that. So usually I have help doing this, but today I don't. So I've learned some new stuff by myself and learned how to do new stuff. And there we go. There's a beautiful flower made out of felt and thread. So at the end, you just, if you want a little long bit, you just snip. And there we go. That's it, all done. Now we have a beautiful flower.